If you think you were not compensation fairly, a work has a dispute process. You can file tickets or dispute process in Upworks. Fixed price projects starts paying out as you hit agreement upon milestone. You can begin a dispute if the client fails to pay for a milestone or refuses to pay for what you think is completed the work. The other most important site is Fiverr. To put it simply, Fiverr is an online marketplace that offers a wide variety of services, tasks, and mini jobs. Founded in 2010, Fiverr aims to provide an online platform where freelancers can advertise and list their available digital services. On the site, you will find millions of gigs for every type of skill, whether you are a designer, web developer, lawyer, or even a musician. Fiverr has something up your alley. On Fiverr, the offered services are referred to as gigs, and many of them starts at just as low as $5. Here, the name of the company, however, hence the name of the company, however, this is just the base of the pay. You will find plenty of gigs that will pay in the same comparable range as the other job services. By connecting sellers directly with the freelancer, Fiverr has grown to become one of the largest websites to offer an online services exchange. Its popularity in the industry make it a desirable way to earn money with traveling as a side gig and even professionally. How does Fiverr works? Do you have a special talent or skill that others would find useful? Maybe you are a good at designer logos, websites, or wedding invitations, or perhaps you can help business with their social media or HR strategy. However, your talent is Fiverr is give you the opportunity to share those skills with the rest of the online world. And best of all, you can make money while doing what you love. The process of finding Fiverr jobs is fairly straightforward, but first it's important to understand the two different parts involved in the transaction. The important thing is seller. If you are a freelancer looking for a work, then you are what Fiverr consider is a seller. A seller can list any type of services they want along with how much they would like to be paid. Your chances of being hired depend on your experience in your industry and your experience on Fiverr. The other most important thing is buyer. If you are looking to purchase a services, you are the buyer. A buyer has something they need to complete it. Whether it's a specific work, job, or a project, they can be businesses, companies, or even individual people. On Fiverr, buyers hire sellers in order to help them accomplish this work. Fiverr is a two-way communication platform, which means both buyers and sellers have the opportunity to find each other. A buyer can browse through the profiles for sellers that meet their requirements, or a seller can look through buyers' requests for tasks that match their skills. Once a buyer and seller find each other, they will agree on a set goal, time framework, and price. Then it's up to the freelancer to do what they do best: work, work, and work. Now that you understand how Fiverr works, it's time to learn how to showcase your ability. Now, the important thing is how to get started on Fiverr. Making money as a Fiverr seller is easier than ever. By completing the following steps, you can find and running and making money with Fiverr is no time. The important thing is register for a new account or register as a new member. In order to make money on Fiverr, you must be a registered member. So your first step is to sign up for a new account. Once you enter your contact information and detail, you will receive an email confirmation link. After you confirm your new account, it's time to start browsing for work. Create a seller account profile. How to create a account profile? Your profile is perhaps the most important way to get a job on Fiverr. It's your opportunity to showcase your experience, skills, and history to buyers. Essentially, you need to sell yourself with your profile. This is the first thing buyer see when he or she decide who to hire. So make your first impression a good one.